Hello, good morning. Five.
What?
Good morning, Five. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, Taj. Oh, welcome, Taj. Saud. Okay. Okay. Ramadan Mubarak, guys.
Yeah.
Okay. I continue for yesterday lesson. Still how to find the volume of composite shapes. Okay. Page number 969. Okay. Still.
Yeah.
Okay. Before we start, okay, I'm showing you the short video about the lesson from Hill.
This is Mrs. Dawson. The steps outside Trisha's house are in the shape of the composite figure shown. Find the volume of the steps. As you can see from the picture, the steps are 48 inches wide, 36 inches deep at the deepest part there at the base, and then each step is 12 inches wide. The height is 7 inches for each step, which gives us a total of 21-inch height for the 3 steps. A composite figure is a figure made up of 2 or more individual figures. So as you can tell, if we take each step separately, we have 3 rectangular prisms. In order to find the volume of a rectangular prism, we'll use the formula volume equals length times width times height. Do these 3 separately and then find the sum. So the top step is 48 inches across, 12 inches deep, and 7 inches high. So the volume, represented by length times width times height, would be 48 times 12 times 7, and the product of those 3 numbers is 4,032. The second step, we'll use the same formula to find the volume of a rectangular prism. However, because it is the middle step, you'll see that it's deeper because it's holding up the top step. So we can see where that middle rectangular prism is. So it goes back further. So our dimensions would be 48 by 24 by 7. And if you notice, the only difference here is that 12 times 2 gives us 24, so our answer is going to be exactly double. 8,064 for the volume of the middle step. The bottom step, which would be the largest, same height, same length, but deeper, 48 times 36 times 7 gives us a volume of 12,096. In order to find the total volume, which is what we're finding, the volume of the steps, we'll find the sum of 4,032, 8,064, and 12,096 for a grand total of 24,192 cubic inches.
Okay, guys, you have any question about this video?
No.
Okay. Here, as we learned yesterday, to find the volume of composite shape, you have to separate into shapes to find each one separately, and then you will find the sum of the values or the volumes for the total as so here. Okay. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. This is back to the book. Here I have this page. Okay, number 6 and 7. Okay, I just gave you the answer yesterday without write the steps for 6 and 7. I have here the composite shapes contains of 2 3D shapes, as we see. The top one, okay, with the dimensions 4, 11, and 9, as you see. The top one, the one in the top, here, as we see, it has a height 4. Okay, and I have the length 11 and width is 9, as you see. Okay, so I have to find the volume 1 or the top one equals.
So we do 11 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 4, then
X.
384 multiplied by 5, then we add.
Yes, excellent, excellent, Fawzan. 11 times by 9 times by.
Yeah, not for them.
Oh, this is Mishari?
Yes.
Okay, Mishari. Okay. Okay, so I have to multiply. I can use associative property to multiply. Okay, I have to multiply 4 times by 9 equals 99. Yes, then multiply 99 by 4. As we learned before, to use this property to make it easy or easier to multiply many numbers. So I have not to multiply 4 times by 9 equals 36. Write 6 and carry up 3. And 4 times 9, 36 again, plus it will be 39. So the answer is what? 300
369.
yard or cubic yard. Don't forget to write the unit of the volume. Okay. Okay. Next one. Volume 2. Can you find it, Saud?
The next one here, number 7.
The cell number 6. We found the volume 1 for the top one. Okay. Now I need to find the bottom one. Here down here. I have this the bottom one here.
I multiply, okay.
Yeah, multiply what? The volume here. Here I use length times width times height because I have the 3 dimensions. Yeah. Okay, but here I have what? Which formula I have to use it for volume 2? I will write.
And high.
I have this height. This height, yes, you are right. This height.
Yeah,
but
high.
What this here called what? B. B means what? Yeah, area of base.
B means 384.
Yes, this area of base. I have to use this formula. B times H. B times H. So I have to multiply.
What his name is base?
Yeah, B base. B base. Area of base.
Base and high. Base and height.
Yeah, base and height. So I have to multiply base and height. Base is 384.
Times by 5.
Times by 5. So the answer would be, okay, 5 times by 4 equal 20. Add 0, carry up 2. 5 times 8, 40. 40 plus 2 is 42. 2 and carry up 4. 5 times 3 equals 15. 15 plus 4 equals to 19.
19.
Yes. Now I have to find the total V1 plus V2 to find the total volume of the composite shape. I have to add 396 plus 1920
equal 2310, I think.
Plus 300. We will see Mishari 296. Now I can add Okay. Here 6 plus 0 equals to 6.
6.
Yeah, and then 9 plus 2 equals 11.
11.
1,
And carry 1.
carry up 1 here. And then 9 becomes 10. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 3 equals 13. Right, 3 and
3
the
and
5,
carry 1.
1 again. 1
Then
plus
2.
10. No, yeah, it would be 2. So the
2,000.
answer, yes,
2,360.
yes, and write the unit cubic yard. Okay,
Okay.
have you write this one?
Yeah.
Okay, now for the next one,
Number 7.
7.
We will do this only or we do another?
No, we have to
Right.
do next page. We still have another page. The problem solving, or the problems, next page. But let me finish with number 7, please. Okay. Here, number 7, I have a composite shape contains of 2 shapes. The top one with dimensions, I have here 2, right? And 3. What the third one should be what? The third dimension should be what here?
9.
3.
Yes, excellent. Because this one parallel to this, and congruent. What's out?
How it come 3? I don't understand this point.
Okay. I said this yesterday. I have here the bottom one has the length with 3, right? This line parallel to this and congruent means the same length. The same length.
Yeah.
This should be 3. And also this line parallel to this and congruent. So this 3 is also becomes 3. So all of these lines are parallel and congruent. And also this one. This like the steps of the stair. If you go in by stair, the steps will be congruent. Same lines. Okay, this equals this equals this equals this. All the same. So this 3 will be 3. Okay? So I have to find the top one here. B1 equals what? So now multiply length times width times height. Length times width times height. B3 times 3 times 2, right? Okay, 3 times by 3 times by 2 equals what? Direct. 3 times by 3, 9. 9 by...
Teacher, it's 9 times by 2 equals 18.
Yes.
Because
So
3 times by 3, 9.
yes.
And 2 times by 9.
Yes, excellent. Cubic millimeter. Okay. And then I have to find the volume of the bottom one here down here. It has base area, same number 6. 21.
Base and height.
Where is the height? 3 or 2?
2.
Yes, excellent. This is the height for the bottom one. So I have to multiply 3 times...
21 times. 3 times by 2 times by 21.
Yes, this is the height for the bottom one. So the volume 2, it would be like this. Base times by height, 21 times by 2 equals what? So equals
21. Yeah.
42. Same millimeter or cubic millimeter. Same the unit. So to find the...
Teacher.
Yes?
Why you didn't see that 3 was like 21 and 2?
What again?
Why you didn't put the 3 with the 21 and 2?
3, 1 and 2? No. Because here I have the base area. So for the bottom one, the base area is 21. No need this one. No need it. No need this. I have the base and the height. No need the length. Okay? Okay. So I have to multiply 21 times by 2 only to be 42 cubic millimeter. Okay, so now I have to add 18 plus 42 to find the sum. It will be 60. So the answer here is 60 cubic millimeter. 60 cubic millimeter. Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
Any question about this, 6 or 7?
No.
Okay, let's go for the next page. Have you done right everything?
No.
Yes.
Okay, next page. Next page. Okay, where the problems? Let's start with this number 8. Just let me unmute all files. Okay, maybe has a problem with sound. Okay, someone, can you read me share this? Okay. Sherry, you hear me right? Hello? Yes, Mishari?
Yeah.
Mishari, you hear me? Okay. Okay, Amir, you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, can you read number 8?
Okay.
Okay.
Mr. Stafford ordered the set of blocks shown at the right for her classroom. Find the total volume of all blocks.
Okay, Miss Stafford ordered the set of blocks showing at the right for her classroom. Find the total volume of all the blocks. Okay, I have here the volumes for each one. Just find the total. That's we need to find the sum of all of these volumes. You have to add all of this. Okay, so I have to add 3 plus 12 plus 8 plus 12 plus 8 plus 16 plus 8 plus 16 to find the total. Okay, because what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7, 7, 8, 56, 56. Because what?
Wait.
Now find it.
Equal 63 in 3.
Take your time. Don't be hurry.
Teacher, how many minutes until the session ends?
20 minutes you still have. Okay, the volume will be, no one find it?
31 minutes. Actually, I mean 68. 68.
68?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Yes, you're right. 68 cubic inch. Okay, the total volume is 68. If you add all of these volumes, find the total, it will be 68 cubic inch. Okay. Okay. The second part of this question. Okay. So can you read the second part, please?
Would all of the blocks fit in a shipping box with a length of 4 inches, 4 inches, and height of 4 inches? Explain. What does he mean, teacher?
Okay.
I don't understand.
Okay. If you have a box, empty box, okay, it can fit to put this blocks inside this box or not. It will fit or not. Okay. Does it
Okay,
mean
teacher.
I
But
have to
how
find
do
the
we
box?
know?
Yeah. But
How do we know how many does the box fit? Like how many height do?
I have given you the dimensions already, Saud. Here I
Yeah.
have length of 4 inches. I have
Yeah.
the length. And I have the width was 4 inches too.
We multiply it.
Yeah, and the height was 4 inches too also. So I have to find the volume for the box. The volume of the box.
Maybe 64.
Yeah, excellent, excellent. Box equals what? I have to multiply 4 times by 4 times by 4. It will be 64 as you said. So excellent. 4 times by 4
4 times by 4
times by 4. It will be
equals 64.
so it will fit or not?
No.
Mm,
No. Why? Because
No.
the box smaller or less than the volume of box is less than the volume of the total blocks. Okay, 64 cubic inches.
We have 18 minutes.
teacher, like it won't fit because 4 is large.
What again?
It doesn't fit because like 64 is bigger than the volume.
No, 64 less than 68 because 64 the volume of the box less than the volume of the all blocks. This is the reason, okay? Because 64, when explain it, the volume of box 64 is less than
The
the volume of 68, the volume of the all blocks.
what?
So it not fit. 970. What's this? Okay. Last one here, number 9. Okay.
Not like the page 996 or
970. 970 we are now. 970.
yeah, I know.
What?
We do like we do multiply up then multiply down.
Yeah, I have the composite shape. Find the volume of this space. Okay, can you read me, Shari?
The figure represents a piece of foam packing. How does the volume of the foam compare to volume of the triangle prism
Prism.
with
Dimension.
3
Dimension.
feet, 7 feet, and 3 feet?
Okay. You asked you to compare between the volume of this form shown on the right and the volume of the other rectangular prism with dimensions 3, 7, and 3. Find the volume of this composite shape and the volume of the prism given here and compare between them. Okay? Okay. Here I have this composite. I have to find volume 1 and volume 2. Okay. What the dimensions of the bottom one here? This one, length 3 and the width
Here 7.
7 and the height
1
so
1.
you have to multiply 3 times 7 times 1, right?
equal 21.
Yes, so volume 1 equals to 21. Okay, what about the bottom one here? Sorry, the top one. It has
7.
7.
7.
Excellent. What about this one? It would be what? Here, this part.
3.
No, not 3.
No.
1. 1.
The total here 3. I have this part 2. So 3 minus 2, it will be 1. Excellent. So it will be 1. What about the height?
2.
Yes. So I have to multiply 1 times by 7 times by 2, right? So
Yes.
volume 2, it will be what?
Equal 14.
Yeah, excellent. So here is 14. And then I'll find the sum. 21 plus 14, it would be 35. Okay?
Okay.
Cubic feet.
So the answer is 35.
Oh, just now I find the volume of the foam. Okay? The volume of the foam, this one. Okay? And then,
Yeah.
how does the volume of the foam that I found it already, okay, compare to the volume of rectangle prism? If I have another one, rectangle prism with dimensions 3, 7, and 3 feet for each dimension. So I have to find the volume of the prism. The volume of this prism equals 3 times by 7 times by 3, right? 3 times by 7
Is by 3.
equals what? Who can find it in one step? 3 times by 7, 21. 21 times by 3 equals to 60.
63.
Yes, excellent. So here I have the volume is 63 cubic feet. So which is greater? Which here is greater? I have to compare between 63 and 35.
63.
Yes, so the volume of prism greater than the volume of foam. So I will write here the volume of prism, volume of prism is greater than, I can use this symbol to write greater than the volume of the foam. Okay? You understand it?
Yes.
Guys, you understand this?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Go number 10 and 11.
We skip it already, okay? Don't solve it, okay? Just only 8 and 9 in this page. Your homework, it will be page numbers 972. Sorry, 971 and 972. And page 971, just
All the
answer.
answers, all the questions in 972.
No, 971, you have 2 questions, 1 and 2, okay? 972,
Yes.
just answer number 3 and skip.
4.
Skip 4, no, skip 4 and 5.
So
3,
3 and
6,
5.
3, 6, and 7. 3, 6, and 7 numbers in this page. So your homework is
On page 971, 192, and page 972, question number 3 and 6 and 7.
yes, 971 and 972. That's all the numbers 3, 6, and 7. Okay, this is the homework. Okay. Okay. Have a nice day and see you soon, inshallah. Okay. Guys, don't forget to participate in the competition. Okay. That's sent to WhatsApp. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Have a nice day and see you soon, inshallah. Bye.